Oh yeah, that's me. Hey, how you doing? It's Clay Francisco. Here in my bedroom this time because it's the middle of winter. You can probably tell just from the lighting, it is dark out. Um, anyway, it's evening time, and I'm here to talk about stress because I'm supposed to do this Scrivener unboxing video, and I mean I've got it. I haven't even opened the application yet. You know why? Because the Scrivener unboxing video is looming over my head, and so it made me realize I'm doing too many things and I need to focus on writing. But I have to have an author platform, and that means I have to do other things to support that because there's like pillars and stuff. I don't know what to do about that. I honestly don't. So that's why I'm making this video. And that's why I'm doing this. Trying to figure out how to quiet the noise, right? Because that's really what this is about. This is about, okay, I've got to, deal with the fear, mitigate, right? Gain skills to deal with the fear of eventually taking the leap and going out on your own and doing that thing and leaving really good paying jobs, right? Because we all face this, right? We're like, hey, I've got the money and the time now and like the freedom mentally to try to do something else. I'm gonna write. Yes, I can finally get right. I can take these things out. I can make it happen. I can do this for once eventually. And that leaves us in this weird position eventually. And there's so many options out there. We live in a time now where you can literally couch ninja yourself into 10 grand a month with a little bit of keyboard sweat. Right? I mean, you can. Right? There are applications out there that you can get. You can pay for the month. You could do all kinds of stuff. I mean, oh my gosh. I just learned about this one called like Zyke or Zeke or something like that, right? Rake and Profit, go check them out. I'll share the link to it. It's for like crawling eBay, right? They have equivalents for crawling Amazon and all that stuff, and it's for you to, be able to just. This is all stuff available in these APIs, guys. Like I know it's easy. Like I could make these apps, but who wants to do that right now, right? One more thing to do, right? Or you pay somebody for the tool to do this thing that's, it's absolutely amazing. They're super good at it. These guys will do it for you. And just like anything else, you pay them for their service, right? So that's where I'm at. All these different pieces of the puzzles, cat in my lap, and all I want to do is write. It's not supposed to be the problem, right? That's not supposed to be my problem. But it is, because today's entrepreneurial mindset, right? The thing that gets you here in the first place that says, I don't just want to write, I want to make a living writing, and I'm willing to take the risks and all that stuff that goes along with it, then, that's something else, right? That's something that you're, me, I'm, us, we, right? Decide is a good idea. And so I'm sharing my thoughts, right? And that's pretty much all this is letting you know that I've got to find a way, letting myself know that I'm trying to find a way to quiet down that noise, to figure out how do I make it to that point where I am focused, right? I do know exactly what I need to be doing, and I'm not out there researching how to buy Black Friday items and then resell them on Amazon at a markup later on next year, right? You know what I mean? Because apparently cutlery is a thing, guys. And I shouldn't. Or should I? Who knows? What is the kind of entrepreneur you want to be? What's the kind of entrepreneur I want to be? Because there's a lot of options out there, guys. A lot. A ton. Right? Amazon FBA stuff, right? I mean, uh, anyway, fulfillment by Amazon as opposed to Facebook ads, right? Because it's all the same thing, but it's not. Right? Even there, the acronyms are confusing. You go YouTube FBA, and it's going to be either Facebook ads, right? Whatever it is, you know, it might not be called exactly that, but that's what it. Or fulfillment by Amazon, right? Which is drop shipping, right? Which is actually literally being a middleman here and fulfilling orders and shipping stuff from your own home and having items that you source. I just want to write. That is why I'm here recording these videos and sharing my journey, because hopefully this will end in me building an author platform and writing for a living with it, with that supporting it, right? And so that is why I'm doing this. That's why I'm sharing this. That's why I am letting you and myself know that I've got a couple goals. And that is make a living being an author independently on, you know, and then, yeah, the one goal. And then I've got to support that, right? And then you need a platform to do that with. And other things that go along with that. But, you know, you could, no. No, Clay. No. You could go research, like I have, the entire world of online marketing and client finding versus, you know, I mean, you can go look them up. There's like a bunch of guys called the Foundation or something like that. I can't remember. You can find them. Find the Pain is their thing, right? You know, these guys will teach you, coders like myself, right? You know, guys who understand this stuff, how to outsource work and make this thing happen. Making lots of money by reselling little tiny products, right? That solve a problem. Like, I don't know, KDP Rocket. Finding a problem, solving it, charging people money for it. That's an awesome way to make money, because you're actually giving back to the universe by making money, solving the problem. I mean, it's what we need, right? This is what we need to be doing. But I don't really, and no, that's not what I want to be doing. Anyway, aside. So with that in mind, there's a whole world of that stuff out there, right? Where you make money by being an online persona in a gajillion permutations. But the one I want to be is an author. And so, focus, Danielson, right? Platform, which means I've got to add value there, which means I've got to share what I'm learning, right, on the other side of things about character development and plotting and world building and, you know, all that stuff. I mean, there's a great, you know, Derek Murphy just set out another, he's got a plot diagram that's really sweet. And he just expanded it into this big, you know, free resource, because that guy's awesome and has tons of free resources. Go check him out. Links below. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff I need to be contributing back, right? You know what I mean? Is that level of focus on what your persona, right? The online personality you want to be, right? There is, oh man, can't remember his name. I'll put a link in the description. Some, you know, Millionaire Mindset something. I can't remember what is. Awesome motivational speaking dude. I mean, just Listen to him, get yourself going, put yourself in the right mindset. It's great. I'll put links below. I can't even remember his name right now. I'm totally spacing it, you know. But those kind of videos do keep you focused, right? Those are productivity videos. Those are those kinds of things, that life hack sort of stuff, right? That's going to help you be the best you, no matter who that is, right? Self-care, all that good stuff, right? And so that's why I'm saying, you know, this guy's good to go check out. Because those things are important, right? That no matter who you want to be is something you are going to need to focus on. But that's who he is, right? You know, I'm going to promote that kind of stuff because that's also who I am, but that's not who I am as an online personality, right? You're not going to come to my place for that for sure, right? You know what I mean? Like, I might post a Vitamix video here and there because get a Vitamix. Shake the bed, get a Vitamix. I don't know if that's how that works. But that's just because I personally like that product and making weird smoothie things, right? I mean, I've got one right here that you don't want to see. Anyway, right? I mean, so there's things like that you might see. But other than that, come on. You know, I need to focus, right? Being authentic is part of that focus, right? That's just authenticity. That's just what I happen to have on my side of the nightstand, right? You can't get more authentic than that. I hope. Otherwise, I'm in trouble. Cat butt. So, yeah. That's all I wanted to say. To you and myself, I need to quiet the noise. And how I'm going to do that? Focus on what I want. Being an author. I'd also like to make board games too, but that's a whole different thing. Not really. It's like really similar. Until next time, folks, good luck out there. I may make a Scrivener unboxing video someday. I don't know. Have a good one.